Restoring Phantom Wallet login is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, ensure you have the recovery phrase or private key associated with your Phantom Wallet account. This information is crucial for regaining access to your wallet. To start, open the Phantom Wallet application and click on the Restore Wallet option. You will be prompted to enter your recovery phrase or private key. Enter the phrase or key exactly as it was provided when you first set up your Phantom Wallet. It is essential to double-check the information to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the recovery phrase or private key, click on the Restore button. The application will then verify the information and restore your wallet. This process may take a few moments, so be patient and wait for the confirmation message. After your wallet has been restored, you will be able to access your account and manage your digital assets. It is recommended that you update your password and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. In case you have forgotten your recovery phrase or private key, you can try contacting Phantom Wallet support for assistance. They will guide you through the process of recovering your account. However, it is crucial to have some form of identification ready to verify your identity. Best practices for securing your Phantom Wallet include storing your recovery phrase or private key in a safe and secure location, such as a hardware wallet or a secure note-taking application. Avoid sharing your recovery phrase or private key with anyone, as this can compromise the security of your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can restore your Phantom Wallet login and ensure the security of your digital assets. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account and take necessary precautions to protect your assets.